watching TripN With Red. Today we are heading over to Hollywood Studios, and I think we're going to go ahead and take the Skyliner. We're here at Pop Century, so we have that option. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe and ring bell notifications so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest TripN With Red theme parks and beyond videos.
Smoking in the cabins. Thank you. Ladies, gentlemen, and islanders.
Yeah, we're on the Tower of Terror right now.
The Disney Skyliner and Disney Carrier.
Yeah, that is.
Flying to Disney Hollywood Studios.
It's your tower up there.
This is so creepy for me. Oh my god. Alien Swirl. Joe has never been on that before, so he's in for a little treat. Hollywood Studios is slammed today, so wait times are enormous. And of course, we didn't get all the fast passes that we hoped for, but that's the way it goes. And the weather is pretty nice, and I'm sure that's why it's slammed. But anyhow, let's go ride Alien Saucers.
Oh, yeah, happy birthday.
It's going to be so fun, since Joe's never done it before. Have a good ride. This is so crazy. Ride is hilarious.
We got a few things in the works, y'all.
I'm here at Epcot. I just got my coasters. I'm very, very excited about that. Let's open that up. So here, let me use my fingernail. Usually my fingernail makes a good knife.
So they're super cool. Looks like they're laser engraved.
Nice. Now, are they all the same?
That's what we're gonna find out.
Cute. I'm assuming that they're all the same.
I would think they're all
That
the
is
same.
so cool looking.
Yeah, it is.
So it's laser?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so they use laser to do the wood burning, so they're all the same. And see, this one's slightly darker.
Nice. I love that. That is so
Nice
fun.
little promotional gift for people who come to Disney a lot.
That's so fun. So this was my 4th time at the Food and Wine Festival. You have to come 4 separate days in order to get it. I had already gotten my 2 magnets, but I couldn't get Chippendale because I think that they come out, I think they said November 29th, and I'm going to be back home by then. But I got my coasters, and that's what really counts.
Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
How are you, Nemo? Who's Nemo? He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?